Okay, let us start with the exercise 4.2. The first type, the first sum, that is construction of a tangent to a circle with center P with radius 3.2 centimeter at any point M on it. At any point M on it means on the circle, on the circle. So at the very first step, we are going to draw a circle. We'll take radius 3.2. So we are going to take 3.2 on the rounder, distance 3.2 in the rounder, and we'll draw a circle. Before we draw a circle, we'll mark a center. So let us keep the rounder steel point in the center, and we are going to draw a circle of 3.2. Now the next is from this center, we'll draw a straight line like this of any measurement, any measurement. Name the center as P. It is already given in the sum. And here on the circle, ये line जहाँ circle को intersect कर रहा है, this is point M. From this point M, we are going to draw perpendicular. Perpendicular हम लोग draw करेंगे. How to draw the perpendicular? Take the rounder, keep the steel point on point M, and take any distance, small distance on the rounder, and we are going to draw two arcs like this on each side of the point M. Now place the rounder on the first arc, extend the distance, and we are going to draw an arc upwards and downwards like this. Now we'll keep the steel point on the next arc and we will intersect this arc. So the intersection point will, with the help of scale and pencil, join all the 3 points. This intersection point, point M, and the next intersection point. स्केल है ना, ऐसा रखोगे ये तीनों पॉइंट एक ही लाइन से पास होना चाहिए. देखो पॉइंट M, intersection, first intersection and the next intersection. Draw straight line. Arrows. This is this is line L, students, and this is the tangent. So we can write here line L is the required tangent. Line L is the required tangent at point M. Line L is the required tangent at point M. We'll solve the next type of constructing a tangent to the circle. This was with the help of the center. There is one more type without using the center. And there is one more type constructing tangent segments to a circle. We'll solve it in the next lecture.